obviously it's like one of my favorite things to do. Yesterday was really scary. Because I was driving my car, and that's why I stopped talking for a second, because I got scared. I did it again. But I was driving my car, and when I went to turn, and I was at a stop sign, so I had to stop. My whole car, at first I was like, no, that's not happening. The whole car shut off. I was like, are you serious? And then my key felt like it was getting like stuck in the ignition for a second. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But yeah, it turned right back on. It wasn't like this huge issue, but it was definitely scary. So now I'm just kind of like really babying the car, because, oh great, see, this is what I mean, like, I'm at a stoplight, and I'm hitting, the brakes, but I'm just afraid the car's gonna shut off. And then I have to, a little bit from, like, where the line was, I had to stop. And then I can't let it, like, sit and idle. I have to, like, keep pumping the brakes, or at least, like, make it that it's moving and not just sitting, because that's when it's really bad. You weren't supposed to go, bitch. I hate that when, like, I have a green light and somebody's still going in the other lane. Like, stop. I literally will complain about every little traffic thing, because that's just how I am. And last night, after doing, my deep dive of cleaning, I went to start editing, and I passed out. So yeah, that didn't go well. I fell asleep while charging. I thought I was charging my phone with the laptop, but today it doesn't have like as good as charge as I would have thought. But then again, maybe I wasn't up as long as I was thinking. This person's trying to go around my car. How about no? How about wait till you see it jolt and then you're gonna jump back? Didn't on that turn. That was a really nice solid turn it just did. Okay, right now I'm gonna try to do it again. Not to make my car stop, but like do a complete stop. I did it. I was just coasting backwards. It just fucking did it, and I'm coasting backwards. I'm really depressed today. So I have to sorry, I'm just trying to breathe. I gotta try to feed myself. And that would be helpful at some point here. Hope you guys are having an okay day, because my week was just like absolute trash. Sorry, I got a phone call. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just like trying to get dinner. Makeup's a little fucked up. I don't really care. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put a powder over the whole bottom. I don't know why lately my skin's been burning really bad on my face, like in here and here. Not even more like acne, it just burns. I don't know. Let's cover up all the pain. Oh, that was bad. Oops. I gotta fix my one wing in a little bit. It started when I was making a TikTok today. By the way, there's a reason why I have my depression, why I get upset. I just don't feel like talking about it because it's not anybody's business, but there's a definite reason why. Like, I understand this isn't normal, but Trust me, my doctors know the actual reason why, and yeah. They are aware. I kind of hate this eyeliner because it's waterproof. Which sounds nice, but I bought it by accident and it's really a pain in my ass. Sorry, I feel like dizzy. Alright, I have to brush my tears out of my lashes. And it kind of just like splattered on my face a little. So I gotta get that off. Okay. Really, Doug? Really? In the middle of my fucking video?
What's up, Ray?
Shake it! Shake it hard! Thanks for the pants, Adam! Update, I forgot my Jeffree Star palette, so I'm pretty sad. I mean, I have other palettes, but like, don't have the Jeffree Star palette, obviously.